Okay, Red Randy back again. I got these side pieces here on the floor, on the wheelhouse, sandblasted, cleaned up, and they look good. I've got a little primer shot on them. Put some etch primer in there, weld through primer. I got the cross member located under the bottom, and I got 2 screws in here holding it in place. I weighted it down with these lead shot bags. They're pretty heavy, so I could get up under the car and drill the holes from the bottom. So anyway, I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna locate the got it located. I'm gonna drill it and weld it to this panel, and cut my angles. In the kit they sent this angle, and there's 47 inches of this angle, which is enough to go all the way from the back here all the way around the wheelhouse. So you've got plenty to go on each side. But I'm going to cut a piece of it, what I need off of it to put here, take the other piece and cut what I need off of it to go over here. Because I don't want to cut 2 pieces off of this one piece and then wind up having to piece 2 pieces of it together to go around the wheelhouse. So anyway, I'm gonna get going on that. Now I'll get back with y'all in a little while. Okay, I took a pencil and went down in this hole and marked it on the panel. Then I took the stiffener off and back drilled both of my attachment holes in the panel. And I also marked around the stiffener all the way around it, so I'll know where to drill my holes in the panel to attach it wherever I weld it. And I also marked around these angles that'll be on each side, and I marked around this so I can cut it out so it'll all lay flush. I don't want this piggybacking on top of that and being a gap. So I'm gonna trim this out to fit around this. And then when I locate these angles, I'll take this support and I'll go ahead and set it back in here without the panel on it before I weld it. Then I can locate these and make everything, wind up level here. This angle with the support, so that everything will be flush and flat. Won't be no gaps in there. But anyway, thought I'd come back and show you all that. I'm going to take this support off, go ahead and mark my holes, get them drilled in here, do the same over here, go ahead and drill these holes to mount these angles to, and then I'll come back and show y'all where I'm at then. Okay, I got that little rosette welds in there. Got that angle located. Got it welded in. Got it located on both sides. I still got a rosette weld this side. Just got it tacked in. But I got it. Put this brace back in here to get it good and level, and yeah, everything running together like it should. And yeah, you might have to tweak and adjust this angle after you get it in to make sure when you put your panel on top of it, you know, that they meet. And you're going to have to put some pressure under here to, you know, when you rosette weld it in. But anyway, it's coming along. I got my panel, got all the holes drilled in it, got everything ready. Got my big 1/2-inch holes for the attachment body to frame mounts. But okay, I'm gonna get busy and get this panel right here stuck in there, make all my adjustments, and try to start welding it in. All right, I got this got the stiffener welded on here. I did the rosette welds. Just a little information on that. I drill these holes to a 5/16, and it makes a nice little weld. It's just a small hump there, but you can grind that down, or you know, or leave it. It's not that high, but it gives you a good weld. It holds good, and you know, my attachment holes lined up good. I got bolts stuck in there. I hadn't got them tightened down, but all I got to do is weld this to the angle along the sides, on both sides, to finish this up, and then I'll go to the next panel. But I'll show you up under here. You can see that it got good penetration, and looks real neat up under the bottom. You don't have that weld hanging down, but it gives you the effect of a spot weld. And you know, everything fit real good. I'm not gonna have any problems welding either side here. Everything looks real nice. I'm pleased with it. But I drilled the 5/16 hole, and the way you do those things, I got my welder. I've got a 185 Miller, and I've got it set. The wire speed is on about 38, and I've got the heat set on, voltage set on 2. So you weld pretty hot with it, but it gives you a good result. Okay, well, got this one done. I'm gonna weld these up on each side. Won't take much to do that, and then I guess it's on to the next panel. I'm probably, before I do the next panel, I'll probably maybe put a little bit of cross bracing in here, because I'm gonna have to cut out a good bit of this and contour that angle and get that next panel down. So until next time, subscribe to the channel, give me a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Anything that you think I can do different, or if you got any questions about what I've done, I'd be glad to you know, reply to you, and you know, tell you what I've done in a certain time, you know, along doing this. But anyway, I'll see y'all next time.